Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Techie Technions. In this video we are going to learn about entities. Make a new file entities.html, copy any of the previous code, change the title to entities, remove the body content and click on live preview. Entities are basically elements which are used to replace the reserved characters in HTML. For example, the use of less than symbol and greater than symbol. Sometimes when you use less than symbol, it will show an error or won't display on your web page. We write more than one space between paragraph tags, it will automatically assume to be one space only. So in order to avoid such situation, we use entities. You can check your browser, write down HTML entities and visit tutorialspoint.com or w3schools.com. Here you can find a number of entities. See, for the less than symbol, we have an entity this one and also entity number. Always an entity is started with an ampersand symbol and then followed by a semicolon. It's very important to write down the semicolon. If I want to use less than symbol, copy this entity and paste it in your code. I want to write 5 is less than 6 and save this. Check the live preview. See, no error is being displayed. But if I would have written just 5 is less than 6, we can see an error here. So in order to avoid such situation, we use entities. If I want to provide more than one space and saving the files, still you can see only one space is being provided. But if I try to use the entities, we can provide more than one space. Copy this and paste this as many times you want the number of spaces. Now click on save and check the file. We can see some space between 5 and 6. So this was all about entities. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video we are going to learn about forms.